So here's the gone fishing game. You can see a close-up here. The fishing rod, the force sensor that senses whether the fish is caught here. As I pull on the rod, you can see the force sensor is sensing it. And the fish go round and around, and your job is to catch them. So when a human fishes, they have to try to dip the rod into the mouth of the fish here. You have to be pretty precise about it. If you're off even a few millimeters, or the timing is a little bit wrong, you miss. And so you have to wait over one of these fishing holes. Get the rod in. It's not so easy. But if you do succeed finally, can't get one. Pause. Next one, that. There we go. I got one. Now we're going to have the computer try to fish. As the DVS watches the fishing table, it can track the fish.
Fingers in the way.
No, I'm pointing to this thing. And when one of these fishes here crosses this region of interest, it triggers the fishing motion. The fishing pole is actually here. So it has to time it just right so that when the fish hook dips down, it gets into the fish's mouth when the fish reaches the fishing pole. Okay, so now I'm going to activate it. So you'll hear a beep when it detects the fish, and another one when it starts fishing, and another one if it succeeds. Failure, right? It didn't detect the fish. Detected a fish, dropped the hook, doesn't detect it, fail. Missed again. Okay, pause. Okay, go, close. It slightly varies the angle of the fishing pole and the timing of the fishing hook drop every time. And when it succeeds, it keeps that delay and that angle for the next try. So far, it hasn't succeeded. Feeling badly. There. Got it.
Well,
caught it that time. Okay, you can stop now.
wait, where did the fish go?